Mother!
Oh, shush, hide. I'll do whatever you tell me. Just hide.
Mom, what's going on?
Hamlet, you insulted your father and you hurt his feelings.
Mom, I didn't do anything. You're the one that hurt him.
Oh, come on, don't be stupid.
Mom, you're being kind of evil.
What? Why?
What's the problem?
Did you forget who I am?
Oh my gosh, no. You are the queen, the husband's brother's wife. And I wish you weren't, but you are, Mom.
Well, then I'll just call everyone in and we can all talk together.
No, sit down.
Sitting.
Don't move until I hold up this man, and you'll look and you'll see who you are.
What are you trying to do? Are you going to kill me? No.
Help! Help me!
What is that? A rat? I bet you $1 I can kill it.
Oh,
You killed me!
oh my gosh, what have you done?
I have no idea. Was that the king?
I can't believe you just did that.
Something terrible, almost awful. My good mother, as killing a king, as marrying my brother, his brother.
Killing a king? What?
Yeah, that's what I said, Mom. You're a low-life, awful woman, no good fool. And I thought you were different. You got what you deserve. I guess you found out what it's like being as low as you. Stop wriggling your fingers, your hands, and let me wring your heart instead.
What have I done? How dare you talk to me like this?
You have plucked the soul out of and love out of marriage. Heaven looks down on the earth and sees how sick and twisted you have turned it.
What have I done that is so wrong?
Mom, look at this picture. And that one. Look how this kind, sweet this young man is. His manly growing hair in the sun, and his body chiseled as a stone. He is your husband, my father. Now look at this box back. Your current husband. He is like a moldy ear of corn affecting all those around him. How could you forget such an amazing man and move on to this? How could you forget those eyes? Do you have eyes? I cannot say you fell in love with him. Since your age, your romantic feeling have grown weak. How could you?
Oh, Hamlet, stop. You're making me feel awful. My heart is marked by sin, and they can never be washed away.
Yes, and you sit in the throne of lies.
Your words are like daggers to my black soul. No more, sweet Hamlet.
A murderer, a wicked man is what he is.
Stop!
An awful king. Oh, angels. What can I do, my lord?
Oh, great. You've gone nuts.
Have you come to sharpen someone, a doll in need of revenge? Have you come to scold your son for slipping from your command? Tell me.
I have come to sharpen your somewhat dull need for revenge. Make her soul struggle. Talk to her.
How are you doing, Mom?
How am I doing? You're talking to yourself like a crazy man. My son, what are you staring at?
Look at him. Look how pale and his eyes glares to me. Don't you look at me like that. Unless you'd rather cry instead of kill.
Who are you talking to?
You don't see anything?
Nope, nothing.
You don't hear anything?
Nothing but us talking.
Look, he's sneaking away. My father, he looks just like he did when he died. He's going out the door now.
Come here. You have such a creative imagination. You have strange hallucinations. You've gone crazy.
I'm not mad. My heart beats just as yours. Every word that's come out of my mouth is true. Test me. I can repeat everything I've told you, which a crazy man could not do. You need to believe me.
You have shattered my heart into pieces.
Then throw away those loosest pieces and live another life. Good night, Mom. But do not go to my uncle's bed tonight. Say that you're sick. Say no sex tonight. And it will be easier to start telling him no. You need to break this habit. Now, good night. When you want to repent, I'll ask for your blessing too. I'm sorry what happened to this dude. God wanted to punish me with this murder. This bad, but it will become worse soon.
What should I do?
Well, I can tell you what not to do. Don't let this fat, greasy king seduce you into bed. He can pinch your cheek, call you bunny, and with his nasty fingers massage your neck.
Rest easy. Since words are made of breathing, breathing requires that you be alive. I feel too dead to breathe a word of what you've told me.
By the way, kind of have to go to England tonight.
Oh my gosh, I totally forgot.
Yes, it's been decided. My two friends, who I trust so much, as much as rattlesnakes, are in charge. Now that this guy is dead, I'll drag his guts into another room. Bye, Mom. Come along, sir. Let us take care of you. Good night.